Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford F150 spark plugs. First, gather your tools. A ratchet, various extensions, and a spark plug socket are crucial. Make sure your engine is completely cool before starting to avoid damaging the cylinder head threads. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before beginning any work under the hood. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's get to removing those old spark plugs. Start by locating the ignition coil connectors and carefully disconnecting them. Next, remove the bolts that secure each ignition coil. With the bolts out, gently twist and pull each coil pack straight up to remove it. Finally, use your spark plug socket with an extension to loosen and extract the old spark plugs from their wells. Take your time with each one. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. This helps with future removal. Hand thread each new plug into its port to avoid any cross-threading. Once snug, use a torque wrench to tighten each spark plug to the manufacturer's specified setting, typically around 10 to 14 foot-pounds. Then, reinstall the ignition coils and reconnect their electrical connectors. To finish up, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Start your F150 and listen for any unusual sounds or check for warning lights on your dashboard. A smooth idle indicates success. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Regular spark plug replacement, typically every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, is key for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe if this video was helpful.